Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson I will explain how the license and subscription app integrates with standard Dynamics accrual schemes. I will proceed to browse to the subscription management cockpit. I will find the customer I'll be using, Contoso Studios. I click new, and the slider I will select my program type. I'm happy with the default subscription type, which is a per unit subscription. And then there's the billing posting profile, which is the link between the subscription plan and the accrual scheme. So I will select this one, which includes an accrual scheme. I will drill down to the details of it. As you can see in this posting profile, I have defined that posting of accrual schemes should happen, and also I set up the temporary ledger accounts to be set on the purchase and sales line, and also the accrual sales revenue journal name, the revenue accrual scheme, which is over 12 months, the cost accrual journal name, and the cost accrual scheme, which is purchasing over 12 months. Since my accrual scheme is spread over 12 months, then I will select a billing period, which is aligned, which is yearly, and I will also select a period type of rolling. The other fields I can leave them as default for the scope of this lesson. I can click OK, which creates my subscription plan, and then I can create new here on the line level to create my line. So I can select one of my many products I have available. Here I've selected this product. I selected quantity 1 and the start date at the beginning of this month. To make it easy, I will make it easier and clearer of what is being calculated. I will put a sales price per month of 100 per user per month and the purchase price of 50, and click OK. And as you can see, we now have an amount which is 1,200 because we selected a yearly billing period, so it is 100 euros multiplied by 12 months. I can now proceed to publish my subscription plan, and I can proceed to manually execute the master process so that I will see the actions that are generated. Close that off. And as you can see, it created both a sales order and a purchase order action type with the correct amounts. Of course, since these are still unfirmed actions, we'll have to firm them. Okay, and we firm the second action. That's okay, and then go to the firmed, and if we open the sales order, this part is optional. You don't even need to go to your sales order or purchase order, but I will show you that the temporary ledger account set on the posting profile is also displayed here on the sales line, and same applies for the purchase line. Now I can go ahead and post this action, this will of course post the sales order invoice. It will create a journal which will process the accrual. I will select now my purchase order action and post it. Yes, so in this case I need to specify my invoice number from the supplier. So let's say like this, and we post the invoice on the 1st, and once again post. Okay, so as you can see here, it doesn't only post the supplier invoice, but as I said before, it also creates the journal and posts it. So if we now move to the general ledger, which is a standard Dynamics 365 module, we can have a look at the audit trail. And here we can see our transactions. So let's look at the sales order invoice posting. And as you can see here, besides doing the typical posting for a sales order invoice, for the sales order revenue would credit the accrual scheme sales, which it obtained from the billing posting profile of the subscription plan, so what we were calling the temporary account, and then based on the 12-month accrual scheme, it is month by month removing the value from the accrual scheme by debiting it and crediting the revenue. And here you can see the months that is doing month by month. So that wraps up this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned how you can accrue revenue and costs using license and subscription app in conjunction with standard Dynamics 365 accrual schemes. Thank you very much.